eBay is an online marketplace. It started in 1995 in the US. It came into India in year 2004. It acquired a company called Bazi.com, which started in 2000. Since then, eBay is a 100% a subsidiary of eBay Incorporated. On eBay India, we have around 6 lakh listings where people can buy, and in 2000 odd categories. Across all eBay worldwide, there are 50,000 categories in which people can sell. In 2009, 2,90,000 worth of goods got sold, which translates to 85,000 rupees worth of goods getting sold every second. In India, from a census standpoint, what we tried to do is July 2009 to June 2010. What are the transactions which have happened, and we ranked the number of transactions per city, and Hyderabad is ranked number 6 in that fashion. And technology products are the significant dominant category for items which are bought in India. But from an export standpoint, lifestyle categories are the significant dominant. It is close to 65% of our exports which happen from lifestyle categories. As I said, Hyderabad is ranked number 6. The kind of items which are bought from Hyderabad are technology products similar to any other locations in India. Mobile phones is one product which maximum people buy. Apart from that, we also see that a lot of collectible categories like Indian stamps, jewelry items which we've seen. So from a category like an ethnic jewelry or ethnic designs per se, people from Hyderabad are significant dominant people in buying those items. From a selling standpoint, we've seen people sell from Hyderabad interesting items, which is like video games or people buying swing machines on eBay in terms of the transactions, what we've noticed from Hyderabad. From an export standpoint, there are categories like Telugu movies, which is a significant contributor for overall regional items which are getting sold on eBay. So Hyderabad is the one which is helping all Telugu movie lovers across the world to watch their favorite Telugu movies with the help of eBay.